going to show you, for example, now I haven't any of this like in terms of planned of what I was going to put in, because I just want to show you how it does come up with it without me giving a lot of information. So you can choose between an existing lesson up or a manual subject. So we'll just put in subject. You're going to describe your subject. So this time I will do health and safety in the workshop. So health and safety and technology and design workshop. I'm going to choose a level. So you can see all your levels right through to bachelor's degree. Where do we normally get it? So I'm going to go for Key Stage 3 this time. What type of assessment do I want? So do I want individual, group work, or homework? So we'll keep it, we'll actually do group work this time. 10 minutes. Do I want allowed resources? So we'll say we'll give them the internet. What's the format of the assignment? So you might want presentation. Do you want a practical, multi-choice? And what's your learning objectives? So to understand. To health and safety in the workshop. And you can change your language on this. So if it's not UK English, you can, or other, so you've got a range of languages there to choose from. So if I generate assignments, so before I generate, just to recap back over, this is the only information I have given it. I haven't given it any other information. I haven't used this feature in prepping for this particular topic. So it's not drawn on any previous information that I have uploaded. So what I can see, and just like magic, so I've got the group assignment. It's give me an overview of the assignment. It's give me the objective. It's give me the instruction. Again, just check through it, because we always say with AI, always check through it to make sure that it does align to what you were thinking. Presentations, bit of research. So if I go back up, I asked for a presentation, practical, and a multi-choice quiz. So I can see there's the research they're going to do using the internet. They have a presentation to prepare for. They have to do a practical demonstration, and then there's a multi-choice quiz. So every aspect that I asked for, it has put in. It has told me resources that are going to be beneficial. And then it's got the evaluation in terms of clarity, effectiveness, and then tips for success. So the great thing about this is you can copy it, put it into a Word document, or you can print it and save it, and you can download it, and then you have access to that. So that's all there for you.